Good morning world, it is 8:30 a.m. on the clock, on my clock at least, Eastern time, and it is Monday, May 11th. It is day 10 for me of streaming, not actually doing something because, for example, I was also working on my application yesterday and I wanted to stream first, but then when I started stream I understood that most of the things I need to do involve secret keys and all of that. We shouldn't be exposed on the stream. So I decided not to stream yesterday, but just do the work. And today I actually have also some things to do with secrets, but I think it should be relatively fast. And meanwhile, I'll just run legal audit for Vox Landing. Let's see first. What did I want to do? What did I want? Let's double check that Vox Landing doesn't have. Yes, it doesn't have anything new, so everything is committed. And that is good. Music, where is the music? Okay, here's the music. Let's see. I also want to move a little bit. Okay. Okay, so what should I do? What was this one? I already forgot. So it's refactor, license plate, blah 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 blah. Okay, we'll need to test this part. Hopefully, I really hope that I'll be able to go into full production today with Vox, but we'll see how it goes. So verify application is production ready here. Okay, and let's also see. So for this one, for Vox Landing, I actually need to start. Okay, I will close this one. And I'll make this one smaller because I don't like it being so big. Something like that. It's a nice view. It's London, I suppose. Very beautiful city. I never was there, but I would love to be there once in the future. Okay, let's see. Hey Claude, I want you to run a full legal audit of my landing page. Spin up a couple of sub-agents to do the audit, and if they have any findings, then you need to fix everything that is really reasonable to fix, that is everything that is important. And if you cannot fix something, then give me the list of what should I do. Thank you. Okay, I love speaking, but I don't like this part. That it doesn't also think about what it should do, but yeah, okay, whatever. Hopefully my app is going to be finished soon, and then I will be able to do everything as I want it to be. Okay, meanwhile, while this one is syncing, I will work in my different browser to finish with some secrets. And let's see, Vox Landing. Where is the 10th? I need to move it a little. Okay, you don't see anything what I'm doing because it involves secrets and you are not supposed to see it. Okay, and I see a shit ton of secrets for some reason. Potentially some of them I shouldn't need. Okay. Chronos. Cron request. Why do I need cron request? Renewal reminders. Okay, I think that I don't want to have cron secret for now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call for one more Claude. Hey Claude, I want you to remove from my landing page everything related to cron job, to reminders. I think I'm not ready for that yet. It's like 1 year away and I want to care about it later, not right now. Thank you. Okay. Related to cron job. For jobs. Okay, it is Vox landing. Okay. And meanwhile, okay, and I also want, oh my god, I have so many things to improve. Okay, whatever. I need to close a couple of windows. URL, must download URL. Stripe keys. Yikes. Okay, let's go to my Stripe, which you cannot see, and that is good that you can see it. Let me double check. Yes, you cannot see it. Okay, so publishable. Do I need a publishable key? Secret, webhook. No, it seems that I do not need any publishable key. In this case, I will create a secret key. And yes, use a passkey for verification. Key name is going to be Vox. Copy. Okay, this one is done. And I also need to create a webhook. Shoot, webhooks. Seems that I need one more. Look through my landing page and tell me which exact webhook should I create for my in Stripe. Because, so first of all, I want you to give me the URL and also on which event should this webhook be sent. Thank you. Okay, and sent. Okay. Hopefully this one is going to be much faster. Music stopped again. Music is here. Okay. Subscription updated. Customer subscription deleted. Okay. App route in. Okay. API webhook Stripe. Okay. And destination. My events. Okay. So scout session completed. Shoot, back. It's not only checkout session complete, but also about customer subscription updated. And about customer subscription deleted. We continue. https://vox.rizenhq.com/API. Let's actually copy all of this API webhooks stripe. Okay. Webhooks/stripe. Okay. This one is Vox. Okay, destination. And I also need now to copy the key. See the key, copy the key. And it's going to be a quick secret here. I don't like the price monthly, price annual. Font here, what the heck is this? I have no idea. Okay. I also see that we don't store any Stripe data in Supabase. I want you to think if we want to store some data about subscriptions, cancellations, and all of that in Supabase for the future references, because it might be quite hard to find everything related just in Stripe dashboard. Thank you. Okay, we will let it cook. Music again stopped. Okay, and now I also need to add Rizen API key. Rizen API keys. I will create an API key. I will call it Vox. Some sending access, all domains. Let's select Rizen HQ and add. I will copy it and I will paste it. Okay. Okay, and now this one is done, but I also need to create a Supabase. Refresh. Okay. New project. Shoot. Okay, wait, new project, but I don't want new oh, shoot. Why is it so hard? Shoosh. They want me to pay for Supabase. I don't want to. Because I already have 2 free projects and they want me to pay for the third one. I think that for now I can just use the Rizen project because everything is lightweight. Okay, let's see. Generally, for thinking through, the current Stripe is the only source of truth stands in CloudMD. Kept the privacy story simple. That said, the paying your name in real Stripe before it's fine for look up this customer, but bad for show me everyone on annual. Blah 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 blah. Concretely one table, Stripe events, add a single insert on conflict, do nothing. Right shape and not, let's mirror subscriptions, no drift. Okay, event ID, event type, subscription ID, customer email, payload, and receive no new sync code. Doesn't reintroduce user accounts. Okay, is to delete, trade-off, it is PII. Portion we already have from Rizen and Stripe, but worth noting. Privacy, what we store section would need a new line about it. Should I care about it for now? Maybe I should. Type Sigma for a week first. Where is you want? Okay. Okay, this one sounds good, but then box landing, remove cron jobs. Why the heck did it add? Oh yes, that's because this one is working and should I have 3 agents working in the same work tree. But that's fine. They shouldn't interact with one another. Just that tracking changes if something goes wrong is going to be harder. But that is completely fine for the vibe coded application. Let's see. Let's see our env example. So it removed cron secret, license GVT secret. Okay, it makes sense. Let's not do that in this case. Now what I also want to do is I want to create basically a new table in Supabase, but in another project, which is kind of parent project of Vox, because I'm on a free Supabase model right now and it allows only 2 projects and they already filled. So basically what I want you to do, I want you to improve my Supabase query, which I should already have somewhere in my code base, which I should run in Supabase. But now I wanted to safely create a new table and call that new table from the code for this counter of downloads. So basically the table should have maybe some prefix like Vox or something like that, so that it would be easy to differentiate, because the general project in Supabase is big. Thank you. Okay. Oop, I didn't need this. Okay. And that's sent. Vox landing, remove cron job, and I also have license GVT secret. And I'm not really sure that I really need it. Thank you. But I also see that I have licensed GVT secret in my environment, and I'm not really sure that I really need it, because I will not be able to enforce the payments and all of that. So I was thinking about just providing them some PDFs that, hey, you are allowed to use, and without any licenses or anything, just some PDFs, and for payment you are able to use. So my question to you is if it's going to be okay, or do I really actually need to have this license and all of that? Thank you. Okay. Safe to rerun on shared project, wrap it in a transaction, so admit script failure rules. Okay, changes. Okay. CT Vox total. This change isn't observable. Okay. Lips for base migration. So is it done already? Yes. Okay. Your parent project pays the contents of run it. After it succeeds, sets Supabase URL and Supabase service role key. Okay. Every object. Okay. Wrapped in begin commit. Create table. Okay. Skip verification. Observable behavior. Batch count. Okay. Blah blah blah. So let's see. We have our lib Supabase. Okay, let's see. Lib Supabase, migrations, and the file. Copy everything, and I will use it in my Supabase project. Rizen, SQL editor. Okay, and let's run it. Query has destructive. Run this query. I don't care about destructive operations on empty database. Let's see now, table editor, Vox download counter, I do see it, nice. And then we'll go to project settings, and we'll go to API API, data API, API keys. API keys. New secret key. This one is going to be Vox. Create API key. Shoot, Vox key, okay. At least 4 letters. Vox and underscores, okay. Create API key. Oh my god, it's taking so long. Okay, Vox key, copy. Vox landing. Base service role key. And also I need to base URL. Project overview and project URL copy. Okay, so it seems that I was able to fill out everything that I needed. Oh, okay, I also need Stripe price, monthly, annual. Okay, and meanwhile, I also want to and you know what? I also don't want my camera to track me. So I will stop tracking. And we will see. Music should still play. I'll pause my walking pad. Oh my god, it's already 26 minutes. Oof. Okay, I am back. And this one says back. Nice. Okay, I don't need Firefox for now, and I don't need this. Actually, yeah, I don't need it. Okay, so let's see. This was about Superbase, and I did put it. Okay, and then now I need to add final question, Stripe price. Okay, now I want to ask you about final potential improvement. So I see that we have Stripe price monthly, Stripe price annual, and Stripe coupon tier environment variables, and I'm actually not sure that we really need them, so maybe you can just add it in, basically hard code these prices in the backend part of the landing page, and that's it. Thank you. Okay, while this one is working, let's see legal and cron jobs. Link can be tampered with to fetch a different customer's PDF. Next, drop. Any guarantees on whether you keep the license, certificate framing, or fall back to generic thank you for paying. Certificate is what makes Yes, I agree with keeping the license certificate, but dropping the DVT and Magic Link infrastructure. Magic Link. Here is GBBB. Oh my god, WT. Okay. What did I ask? This one? I forgot. File. House rows media is clear, not configured. Okay. So basically it needs me to create some products on Stripe side beforehand, but can we do it on the fly in the application basically? Because I know for sure, because I have it in one of my other projects, that nothing was configured, no products in Stripe, but still landing page basically kinda creates a new product, or I don't know how exactly it does it, but user can still pay for something that was basically set in the request to Stripe. Can we do something like that, or is that only for one-time payments and it's not possible for recurring payments? Thank you. Okay, this one is working. Let's see our legal assistant. The wrong stack. Market claims are too absolute. Count forever. Okay. Okay, let's see. Here. Works for subscriptions too, not just one-time payments. Checkout session. Okay. New price object, optional new product in your Stripe dashboard. For one, it's fine. If process forgets subscription, those objects forever because they're and the portal can't offer planned vision because there is no canonically. That's why every serious subscription guide yes, I want you to proceed with this. Okay, this one is working now. Let's go remove from jobs. Okay, this one is still working for 4 minutes. Okay. Renewals and new withdrawals closure missing. I will start fixing. Blah 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 blah. All fixes in. Legal audit. Legal documents. Okay, marketing claims. Oh my god. Okay, what got fixed? What's still new? Total of each 15 are now fixed in code and you require the right. Okay. Universal analytics. Yes, yes. Added GDPR art. In controller. Yeah. Okay. Protocols, Windows builds, promise. Okay, Titan. Okay, added auto renewal disclosure. Comparison tables out enough on. Okay, my walking pad is fine. And as estimates, okay. Magic link. Okay, email gate, blah blah blah. Okay, what is that supposed to be, like 2 blockers? Okay. That's this before flipping, okay, a real postal address. resonance logic LC. Okay. I want to use as domain everywhere. Okay, tell me what else I need to tell you or do. Okay. Let's see. Let me read the remaining files. Okay, now I'll secure the full set of changes in parallel. Let me reread it. Okay. 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 Okay, so 3 variables, which ones are these? Let's see. And the local example. Stripe. Okay, so it's about Stripe price and all of that. Nice. Okay, I have resend and for license. Is license GVT key also removed already? Let's see, license. Yes, nice. Okay, and now it seems that I have all environment variables that I need. Everything. Now I will go to Vercel and I will change to Vox Landing and I'll go to where's environment variables. Here they are, and environment variable. Boom, save. Nice. I don't care about redeploy because I have a lot. Okay. So this one seems to be done. Legal audit, let's see it later. Okay, so what did I want to do it here? Okay, let me read. The remaining matches are intentional. Okay, deleted. Yes. 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 License GVD secret. Okay, edited. Maybe license issuance dropped. Fine. Okay, edit. The Vox app doesn't phone home, so nothing was ever enforced by the GVT. That's true, it was only read-on-load convenience, which the email attachment plus account resend now cover. Okay. Music stopped again. Shoot. Okay, it means that I can close it. Now let's see. Got it. Green. Okay, domain unchanged. Okay. Okay, what do you still need to give me on the side? wire in. State of formation. Yes, it's Delaware. Decision on your behalf. No VA disclaimer for HIPAA added. VAA, I have no idea. Indemnification caps. Children's privacy line. Okay, stripe dashboard is fine. Yes. Lawyer, blah blah blah. Okay. Legal entity everywhere. Do I really need to add the address? Can I skip this part and don't show address to anyone? And for HIPAA compliance and all of that, so I believe that my application should be kind of HIPAA compliant out of the box, so why not to sell it to some healthcare, if possible, of course. So I don't target them right now, but maybe in the future. So do we need to add something for that too? Okay, let's see. And I think that it's enough of me walking. 40 minutes already, 44 minutes, so that would be fine. Whee! Nice. Okay, so. Oh yeah, and Claude, I think it dropped my sound. Let's see, sound. Input, and how much is it right now? It is 16, yeah. I completely forgot that Claude drops sound. Okay, it should be much better right now. Okay, let's see. Actually, let me drink water first. Okay, so Stripe requires physical business address on every invoice it generates. Okay. EU e-commerce directive art 5. Stripe TOS. Okay, let me go into the Stripe dashboard and grab my address which is used. Let's see. Atlas, company, copy. Okay, here is my address. Blah blah blah. Your instinct is correct. Let me explain the actual rule so we can use the right language rule. Only if it creates, receives, maintains PHI and half of covered audio. Okay, by the same logic that Microsoft doesn't sign PA for healthcare workers using Word locally, Vox doesn't. Okay. Stronger BAA isn't required because Vox is structurally not a business associate. Let me update to that. Okay. Music. Okay, so basically here is my address. Keeper frame, yes. And state of formation. And yes, Ella, where? Okay. Okay, this one is good. I love this music, and I need to increase the sound. I need to increase it, so right now it is at 16, I suppose, so I need to increase it somewhere here, I think. So now it is how much? I need to be at 24, 26, 24, okay, nice. This one is still working, hopefully it's going to be the last one. Oh my god. And actually, meanwhile, I can add my test keys from Stripe in order to be able to test properly in production without paying anything. Let's see, developers, more API keys. Let's see, so I need secret key. I'll go to Vercel or my other screen. Vox landing, let me reload the page. Stripe secret key, edit. Okay, save. And also I need Stripe webhooks. Add destination. Good. I already forgot. Carrier setup Stripe webhook for landing page. Okay, so it was this one, I think. Music. Which events were it? Yes, I want to proceed. So this one and this one and this one. Continue. Fascinating legacy. Vox. HTTPS // Let me copy it from my production. Vox. Okay, this one. Okay, create destination. And I'll also copy the clipboard sign-in secret for Stripe webhook secret. Edit. Okay, save. Okay, nice. And now hopefully I need to finally close this one. Okay, all landed, type check and lint are green. Browser verifies a new text on every transactional email footer as governed in law. Keep a reframe, now flip positive. Why is it so hard? I don't know, it's so boring. Like, honestly, I already forgot how boring and long it is to go from development done to fully production ready. I thought it will take like 2 hours, especially with AI. But now I spent yesterday almost all day working on it, on finishing my application to be production ready with all builds and all of that. And also to finishing Rizen to be production ready from Stripe perspective, from legal perspective. And today I'm wasting my time on Vox. Not wasting actually, but I don't know, it's very boring. Okay, still pending unit me Stripe dashboard, resend dashboard, DNS, keep account to 1 pager. Okay, and then test process, yes. So basically I need to test everything end to end. Accessibility statement page. There is actually an issue that I have one Stripe account dashboard connected to multiple products, and basically I have multiple webhooks which subscribe to similar events with basically checkout completed or whatever the event is. So I suppose that's what that means, that these Vox will also receive webhook notifications about purchases in other products. So can we somehow filter them out to not process them properly and just to drop them? Okay, let's see. I hope this is going to be the last one, and I will then just commit, push, and test. But we will see. And it's already 9:23. Oh my god. I'm sleepy. Good catch. Yes, Stripe hooks fan out events across the whole account, so the Vox endpoint will receive. Okay. Again. Okay, and I suppose that I need to do the same for Rizen. Hey Claude, I noticed an issue that my Stripe account and dashboard connected to multiple products, basically to multiple different web products. So what that means is that when someone buys from my other website, the webhook is also going to go to Rizen, and vice versa. So what I wanted to do, I want you to add the logic which will filter out all webhooks which do not belong to our Rizen landing page, and basically do not process them and process only what was actually created and paid for Rizen. Thank you. Okay, and Rizen with I, Rizen here with I. Okay, let's see. Catch, yes. Now I see structure, no changes. Blah 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 blah. Session data, blah blah blah, not on coverage. Oh, I'm sleeping. Okay, let's see. I think that it's time to finally commit everything. Preparation and fixes. Commit, link changes. Okay, let's see. And hopefully I can finally go and test it. So let's see. Let's see our deployments, when it's going to be ready, or if it's going to fail, maybe. Like, why not? Okay, and I'm also now going to give me message. It's actually interesting because I believe that I shouldn't have any balance, but I do have some. With like 10,000 credits per day, week. Okay, let's see. Vox.Rizen should be okay. I don't like this no account to dictate, like I'll go and manually fix it. No account needed. small text improvements with some changes. Okay, and some additional water. Okay, let's see. Interesting, because I think that this one was on the right side, no? Okay, so it was updated, no account, no cloud, no tracking. Okay. Device, no account needed, no fixation telemetry, works on the plane. On the phone. What is the average typing speed? Also, I have no idea why it says on the phone. I'm going to remove it. Fix text. Okay. Maybe yes, I think it would make more sense to redo it in a proper table format. And Vox landing, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I suppose that this one is done. This section in a more table-like format, I think it's easier to understand the way. Why is it taking it so long? And my sound again dropped. Okay, 24. 24 is good. 24 is very, very good. Okay, why is it doing so long? What's smaller? Let's see. Okay, so it looks fine on small ones, but it looks like shit on bigger screens. Give me commit message. Okay, commit, sync changes, push, okay, done. And I also want to make sure okay, so it's been pushed. Let's see our cell, which is building. Okay, it should be done. Let's try and see. Yep. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I think that it is fine. It is basically done, and now I need to test checkout flow. Ah, shit. Okay, for Teams. I don't like them. Okay, it sends, but still. The Lulu dancer. Okay, so let's say configure and buy. Let's say I have person. Okay. Okay, actually I'll test later because I need to put some build email, blah blah blah. I want to put my personal email, but I don't want to show it on the stream. And what that means? It means that I'll test later, so for now I'll test download. To make sure that download works good. Let's see. Count. What? Oh, okay, yeah. One input download. If I click download. So this one works fine. If I download for Apple Silicon Mac, it also works fine. Okay. And what is fun is that application is only 5.5 megabytes. Like, it's very small, which is nice in this era. Okay. Okay, so we have it. How to show and find them? Okay, like this. I'll move this one. Okay, let's see what we have here. So, by the way, oh my god, I need to check. So this is from my yesterday test. Inject, inject, and inject. Okay, nice. And now let's see logs DMG. Okay, it was installed. Now let's see logs. What? What the heck? Okay, now it's has it. Yes, I am sure. Open. Device dictation. Get started. Text automatically parakeet. Continue. Hello, Mike. Hello. Continue. Yes. Yes. Gemma 4 E4B. Yes. Accept and download. Okay, let's see. It is going to take some time, but we will see how it goes. Yeah, Gemma 4 is a little bit large, but we will see. And meanwhile, I'll go and actually let me add to my notes that I need also to test. Let's see. So run deep legal audit done, test download done, test Windows coming soon done, and update. Okay, so I need to test update, and I need to test self-serve payments. Update I will be able to test on the stream, but for payments I'll do it off the stream, and installation is finished. Okay. Why? What the heck? Okay, so I'm testing dictation, how it works, does it work fine, does it work not fine, blah blah blah. Hello? Tyson dictate. Yeah, so shoot. This this one was supposed to be fixed. So when it was run for the first time, it takes some time for the Apple to verify this thing. Python dictation, oh my god. Okay, whatever. Talk, let's see. Okay, so I'm pushing to talk, let's see how it works. Okay. Let's see. Press to talk. It's free. Keys. Modes. Dictionary. How do I export to like yeah, whatever. Privacy. Let's see, open issue. It's interesting that nothing happens when I click open issues. So I think that that's what I'm going to work on as my 1.0.1 release. In order to test the date. Where it works, here it works. I see a bug that basically nothing happens when user presses open issues button in the settings. So in the settings there is an about sub-page and there is a report a bug section with open issues button, and when user clicks nothing happens there. So I want you to look into it and fix it. Thank you. Okay. Models. Lol. I'm not sure that I have any other external in cases. But let's see. Okay. So Vox is good, and okay, this one is good. Actually, let's also double check that everything works good on. Okay, where is Vox landing? Okay, so this section works fine on the bigger screens, but on mobile screen it will look very, very bad. So maybe for the mobile screen you can basically do the same as it was before, but for tablet and bigger screens, leave it as is right now. Thank you. Okay, section, yes. Okay. So this one, it seems it's done. But I also wanted to improve it. Let's see. Fix opening issues. I will commit it and I'll push it. Okay. Ooh, I reached the end of the music, or at least of this page of the music. The beast within. Sounds serious. Okay, this is fine. This one is already committed to push. Do I want to do anything else? Maybe do an uninstall button or something? Because it would be easier than for me to reinstall it. Privacy. So privacy colors are bad, so I'm considering two other small improvements. So the first one would be for the privacy subscreen in settings, because right now it uses green, which doesn't actually follow any other colors in my application, at least it seems so. So I want you to double check that this green color makes sense, or if not, then change it please. And also I was thinking about some uninstall button in settings, so that at least for me it would be easier to test different versions, installing and uninstalling and all of that. And also when user clicks and install, it should remove everything from, like, remove models, remove permissions and all of that. So is it a good idea? If it is a good idea, then please implement it. If not, then explain to me why it is not a good idea. Thank you. Okay, I miss it so much, but I wasn't able to use it for the last couple of days. See this one, context is small, so that is fine. Now let's look at this one. Okay, so it says it's done. No console errors, blah blah blah. Okay. Give me commit message for this. Okay. A little bit of water. Or a shorter. I love shorter more, so I'll use a shorter one. And this one was for Vox landing. And where do I have it? I have it obviously on my other screen, but either way. And sync changes push. And I was playing with this table. Okay, and now let's see. Okay. Let's let's see. first of all I can close my Supabase and maybe I can close my personal email. Stripe dashboards can stay as is for now. This one should stay. I will close this one. Okay, so it is ready, it should be deployed, and let's see. Yep. It is good now, it is good, and it is stable. Nice, nice, I love it. Okay, so what that means? That means that I can close Vox Landing. And I think that it is more or less ready. And I'll only need to wait for these changes to be done, and then I'll push them. I will mark them as new release to trigger my GitHub pipeline. Create a new build, and then I want to check and test update if it works fine. It should work fine, I hope, but I have never tested it, so we'll see. Oh. Now it's 10:02. Should I have only something like 20 minutes remaining on the stream? Maybe a little bit longer, but hopefully not, because I need to do my day job. Yay! Actually, let me see click-through rate. So I'm interested. Live, analytics, reach. Like click-through ratio is fine. It's more than 2%. But yeah, people do not stay on the stream. Okay, let's see. Reasoning, okay, uninstall new Rust, new uninstall app command that kills the llama, okay, child, disables, runs, okay, reset mic and reset accessibility, okay, remove, wipe setting modes, models, llama server 3, then up exit. Shoot, yes. Okay, so it seems that this one is going to be actually a big release. I sneezed. Woo. It was very, very good. What if next time I'll add one like equals 10 push-ups? Might be a good idea actually. Okay. Give me commit message. Why is it taking so long? Let's also double check the code just in case. IPC settings. Yikes. Commands. Okay. Commit changes. Okay. And now what I want to do, there was what about walk? So one of my conversations, actually it should be this one. Let's see. There were instructions on how to make a release, so I actually know how with this git tag, git push tags, but do I need to add like some improvements or anything? Oh yeah, and I need to bump. Okay, let me bump this one. SRC Tauri. SRC Tauri and Cargo Toml. Version 101. Tauri conf JSON version 101. Bump version 2101. What about package JSON or something? Yeah, here too, just in case. Okay, but I will bump the version, but let's also check latest, blah blah blah, image, source code, what I want to check, I want to see if there is any version printed. Yes, version, yes, okay. I don't think that I need this Tauri too. It's landing, wrong project, works here. I'll just remove this pen and that's it. Okay. Let's say bump version, commit sync changes. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Wrong one. Vox, where is Vox? Here is Vox. Okay, so it is pushed. And what that means? That means that we'll have to wait a little bit for the release to happen. And it's a processing, so usually release takes something like less than 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 40 seconds, 4 minutes, 40 seconds, so it depends. Less than 6 minutes, please. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. And if update works fine. Oh. Okay, so I think that I'll go and use the restroom for now. And I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, I am back. Okay, it is still building, I suppose. Let me see. Yes, release is still releasing. Let's go to Reddit and Microsoft. Micro SAS. Not relevant. Hot. No. New. Solo founder full-time job. Okay, let's look for solo founder full-time job. SAS solo founder full-time job. Not relevant, but new. Day 36, cloud code. My god, release taking so long. Okay, so it seems that it is done. Maybe, yeah. So the version is 101 and we have all of these. Now let's see if I can update it. Check now. Okay, so lol. Okay, it is available, so how do I install it? Okay. So it seems that we'll do release 102 very, very soon. Okay, works. It seems that I have an issue with checking for updates and updating the application, because right now I have installed locally version 1.0.0 and I have released version 1.0.1. But in my installed version, when I click check for updates, it just says that Vox 101 is available, and that's it. Basically, there is no update button, there is nothing. So could you please look into it and make sure that proper update works fine? Thank you. Okay. Okay, bam, bam. Music. And meanwhile, let me just open on my phone and read it. Read what I wanted to read from Reddit, but I wasn't able to find it for some reason. I have no idea why. Well, it is gone somewhere. Okay, see it. Yeah, not interesting. Okay, let's see. The release process to understand the artifact. The Rust command checks for days, but there is no command to actually download and install and no UI button. Let me look at deeper details before fixing. Let me check the release process to understand the artifact structure. Weekly is... okay. I don't even want to talk about it. By the way, I have never checked if download was tracked, so I will go to Superbase on my other screen, sorry, and I will check if download was tracked. So I downloaded up 2 times, I think. Let's see, walk download counter, and it counted only once. Interesting. Let's see. Okay, so it was Vox landing. I see. So I downloaded the application 2 times in a row, and for the first download I used download button in the header, and for the second download I used download for Apple Silicon Mac. But when I go to my Superbase dashboard, I see only one download. So is it because there is some smart thing which understood that I'm the only person who downloaded it 2 times, or is it because we missed some tracking? And if we missed some tracking, then please fix it. Thank you. Okay, it's Vox landing, that is fine. Okay, the currently installed. Okay, let's see. So I need to commit it. Give me the commit message, please. Okay, and now I will need to tag and put tag. Okay. Nice. Okay. 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 Makes sense. And let me see the release. The release is building, going. So I can just go actually here and let's see. Okay. I think that it will also make sense to add some notes about what each release includes, like which updates and all of that. Can I somehow automate all of these, or should I manually write it each time, or how should it happen? Okay, let's see. So actually I think that my commits are pretty readable, so I'm okay with dumping them in changelog. And yes, you can proceed, thank you. Let's see, 101, still 101. How much longer does it need? 3 minutes. And yeah, by the way, I will have to with this one. And I need also to clean it up. Reset permission. I'll leave models as is because the load takes a lot of time. Ooh. Working, it's already 4 minutes in, so hopefully it's going to be done soon. Should instance it go? Oh my god. Let's see. Still 101. Oh, and I wanted to actually remove the application from my laptop because I want to reinstall it, obviously. And I also want to remove downloads, existing Vox DMG, and this latest I don't need to do. Okay. And trash. Come on. It's 5 minutes already. 6 minutes already. Come on. Okay, 102, nice. Let's reload the page just in case. Let's go download for Apple Silicon. Nice, let's open it. Let's move it to applications. Close it. Let's open Vox. Open. And get started. Blah blah blah. Allow mic. Allow. Let's continue. Accept and download. They are done because I didn't delete them. Finish. Okay. Now let's see. Vox 102. About I have uninstalled Vox. Danger zone. Check now. Vox is up to date. Okay. General. Okay, so what it means? It means that I need to make one other. Oh yeah, so it's automatic changes. Okay. And then yeah. Should stand 35 already. Yikes. Yikes. Like, as I said at the beginning, it takes much longer than you would expect it to take. Like, especially with AI, you think that, oh, okay, so the development is done, to production it will take like 1 minute to write a prompt, and for AI to work 10 minutes and then push, click here, there, everything works fine, nice, so 30 minutes and you're done, but no, you're not done in 30 minutes. It takes a lot of time. Okay, how to use it? I have already tagged the second version, so it should be the third one. I have already pushed and tagged 102, so you should update it to 103 now. Okay. Now let's see which other small improvement I want to make for the release to be meaningful, at least a little bit. Privacy, about, local first, check now. Oh, by the way, let's check. Okay, it works fine. Open issues, with the only exception that it opens in the default browser, but that's fine. And let's actually see. Yeah, it works fine. Uninstall, privacy, dictionary modes. Okay, give me commit message, please. only for the last changes that you made about release notes. Okay, let's see. Vox package 103 release YAML. Okay, settings, cargo. Okay, and then I think that I will add some kind of summary mode. Make it shorter, please. Okay, sync. And now what else I want to do? I also want, so let's see the contact, no, let's run new one. Okay, hi Clouda. So I want you to add one more mode to my application, which is basically called summary mode. So it should just briefly summarize everything that the user was speaking about. Yeah, so it should be the same mode next to general, email, notes, and all other modes. Take additional time to look through the code base, understand it, and make sure that nothing is going to be broken. Thank you. Okay, so it is working. When it is going to be done with this thing, I will commit, push it, mark release 1.3 as done, deploy it, and hopefully I will be able to upgrade my application. But I'll do it off the stream because now I really need to go. Thank you everyone and have a great day. Ciao ciao.